Every single child has a right to the kind of grandparents who make them feel completely wanted. The kind of grandparents in whose presence they know their existence is a source of pure joy, not an inconvenience. It shouldn't just be about babysitting because they have to, not just picking them up for an hour because the parents begged. It's about loving them so fiercely that the child can see it shining right in their eyes. Children need people who flip the fluffiest pancakes for them, not out of a sense of obligation, but because their hearts genuinely overflow when a little voice asks for seconds. They need people who listen to childhood secrets as intently as if they were top secret government intelligence. They need adults who don't laugh at their tiny anxieties, minimize their first heartbreaks, or wave them off saying, "Oh, that's just silly." Because to a child, it is never silly. A scraped knee, a lost toy, the first wave of embarrassment, the first big fight, the first broken heart. During those moments, it is incredibly vital to have two more safe, loving adults in their corner besides mom and dad to whom they can run and know without a doubt, I will be welcomed here. They won't be judged. They won't be brushed off. They won't be told that there are more important things to attend to. Real grandparents are so much more than just relatives on a birth certificate. They represent an entirely unique genre of love. It's softer, more patient, a little more indulgent, and profoundly warm. They see a miracle in that child, even when the rest of the world only sees noise, a messy room, and a never-ending stream of questions. They are the ones who whisper, "You are so smart. You have such a kind heart. You can do this. I am so proud of you. I'm always right here." And those words stick to a child's ribs for a long time, sometimes for the rest of their lives, because children don't just grow up on food, clothes, and schooling. They grow up on the reflections in the eyes of the people who love them. They grow up in the arms that held them tight. They grow up shaped by the voices that called them the absolute best, not because of their report cards, but simply because they exist. Every child deserves grandparents who don't log the hours spent with them as exhaustion, but count them as pure happiness. Because for those kinds of people, grandchildren aren't an extra chore in their golden years. They are a second chance to love life all over again through a brand new lens.